train. D is for dog, who's a friend of mine. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for frog, hopping on the land. G is for guitar, strum and play. H is for hippo, in the river all day. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jelly, so wobbly and neat. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, with birds and bees. O is for octopus, in a sea so deep. P is for penguin, waddle and peep. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, with colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright at night. T is for train, chugging out of sight. U is for umbrella, on a rainy day. V is for violin, I loved to play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, make music for you. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with black and white clothes. Now we've sung the ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow. The mouse says squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Can you quack like a duck? Quack! Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba. The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Can you quack like a duck? Quack! Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The parrot says squawk, squawk, squawk. The pig says oink, oink, oink. The fox says ring, ding, ding. Let's all